Hey guys, it's Sierra and welcome back to my channel where we speak about all things makeup and skincare.
I just got a message from my new dude. Where you at? Question my blues.
Today we're going to be breaking down the Fenty Skincare Trio. If you guys want to know how I feel about these products just off of first impression, please continue to watch. But before you continue to watch, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I would love to see you guys back. Please join my family. I would appreciate it so much. Whew! Cue the transition. Okay guys, so for these specific products, what I'm gonna do is do two separate videos. In this video, it's gonna be a first impressions, right? We're gonna go through key ingredients, we're gonna go through pricing, we're gonna go through packaging, all of those things, okay? What are my first impressions, my first thoughts on trying these products on camera, and then I'm gonna use these products for about a week and then give you a detailed review on how I feel about the products after using them. I wanna really do this in two separate videos because I know that this might get a little bit lengthy because I do like to be a little bit more detailed, especially when it comes to skincare. So that's why I'm gonna do it this way. Okay, cool. Now, let's break down the packaging overall. So this is the box itself. It's really cute. It has Fenty Skin Beauty, and the inside of the packaging, it comes with 3 products. I bought all 3 of the products. The only one that comes in a box is this one right here, which is the sunscreen. The packaging is streamlined for less waste, no box or shrink wrap. The tube is made of 40% post-consumer recycled material. She really did think about the environment. They're all very earth conscious. Okay, Rihanna. So let's start off with the cleanser. It's a clean, vegan, and cruelty-free product. Now, as I'm doing this video, everything is sold out on Fenty Skin, so that's just a heads up. So the cleanser retails for $25. It is said to be for all skin types. It claims to be a daily cleanser and a makeup remover in one, which I'm not quite sure how I feel about that. I always double cleanse. I would never just clean my face once with any product, but I guess we must for first impressions. Ugh. It says it transforms from a cream to a decadent lather. It purifies pores and helps fight shine long after you've rinsed it off. The main ingredients here are Barbados cherry, ginkgo biloba, a tree commonly used in ancient Chinese healing techniques, helps control oil and clarify skin, green tea, rich in antioxidants to help defend against environmental stressors, fig, rich in antioxidants, and quince, a rare fruit infused with minerals to help condition. I do like the fact that she did choose to use ingredients that you really don't see much in skincare. So that is actually really impressive. Now we're gonna get a little bit deeper into the ingredients. I'm going to leave the ingredients up right here. There are a couple things instantly that I look at and I go, I don't know. We've got perfume. It says a straight perfume fragrance is at the bottom. I'm not really into that. We do have some synthetic dyes, but overall I'm not mad at the ingredients list. The next product is called the Fat Water Pore Refining Toner Serum, and this retails for $28. Details are that this is a 2-in-1 toner serum combo that targets pores, improves the look of dark spots, brightens and smooths, and fights shine, all without stripping skin. So this product, the main ingredients are niacinamide, which if you guys know, I love. I think it is amazing. It really helps reduce the dark spots. It evens out your skin tone. This is so good. It also has Barbados cherry again. It has Australian lemon, myrtle, and witch hazel water, Japanese raisin tree, cactus flower, green tea, and fig. So we do have some repeat ingredients with the cleanser and the toner. I'm also gonna split screen again and show you the ingredients on this product. It again has fragrance. So there you go. Everything else I'm not necessarily mad at. What I do like is I see niacinamide very high up in the list of products. You don't want to see it too low. You know that you're gonna get a good amount of niacinamide in this toner, and it's not just a hint, a thought of a niacinamide. The next product is the Hydra Vizor Invisible Moisturizer, and this is $35. What I do like about this product is because she was thinking about the environment, this product is also a refillable product. Let's look at the ingredients. And you know, I'm not mad at these either. I mean, this also has niacinamide in it. It does also have fragrance in it. When I look at the ingredient list, I'm not mad at it. I have seen better. I don't like the fact that this entire thing is fragranced. I'm just gonna let you know that right now, okay? Let's just do a really quick once over of everything. All right, so, oh, that's cool. This is a, let me zoom it in. This is a twisty top. Here is what the cleanser looks like. Let's go like this. It's pretty thick. It's a thick girl. Okay, yes, it is scented, but it's not overbearing. It smells florally, and it actually feels pretty good on the skin. It feels like when they say that it's not going to strip, it does feel like there is some type of moisturizing ingredients in here. I like the texture, I like the consistency. Okay, let me wash this off, BRB. Okay, we are back. And I still smell the fragrance on my face. I really thought that once I washed it off, I wasn't gonna smell it, but I smell it. My skin feels a little dry, I'm not gonna lie. A little drier than I would like it to feel. So let's open up the toner. It comes with a little, you can see this right here. Pew. This one is also a click top, which I think is pretty cool. Okay, let's see how it comes out. Oh, it's kind of thick. Oh, it's like a gel. It's like a gel toner. Okay. This, I don't really smell the fragrance in it, even though it does say that it has it. I don't really smell it. It kind of reminds me of like watered down aloe, like without the like strings. It kind of feels like that texture. If you guys have ever used aloe on your face, here's what I don't really like about it is that you can tell that this is going to get a little bit messy. Let it dry. Then we're gonna go on with this. This is really cute. So I'm gonna read it instead of just assuming. No, I'm not. I'm just gonna go ahead and try to do it. So I'm gonna just assume that you just pop it in. Look at that. Girl, you're a genius. Okay, so same type of thing. Pop it up like this. There we go. As I'm reading about this sunscreen, it says that it's perfect under makeup, won't peel up, doesn't have flashback. Those are great. This one is, I feel like, the most fragranced out of all of them. But it does feel really good, I'm not gonna lie. So I've tried all the products on camera. Off of first impression, I think that my favorite product is the sunscreen, though I'm gonna have to give this honest a solid 7 days to really give you a full-blown review, because I don't know. This cleanser, it felt a little drying. This toner is really nice. I've just never seen this type of consistency when it comes to the toner, so I was a little thrown off. But let's see how it all works together. What I am gonna do is not use any other products other than these 3 products. Look out for my video where I will be breaking down how I feel about these products, what's my favorite, what didn't work for me, if I can use this as just a moisturizer, or do I need to use a moisturizer and this product as well. I think I got it all. Okay, all right. I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I would love to see you guys back, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace. Peace out, guys. Where's my remote? Where's my... I found it.